This is the mechanic tester, and this breakout board will allow me to use this tester, which only has USB C and lightning connectors. Will allow me to use it on HDMI, so it should be useful for testing ports on game consoles and things like that. But yeah, it's one you have to put together yourself. So let's give it a go. And here we have a socket, and here's the other socket. Well, it won't win any awards, but it's pretty decent soldering. Everything checks out. I think it'll last a while. Yeah. Oh yeah. Don't plug this into USB power because obviously you could damage something, and it's only meant to be used with the mechanic tester. Here we have a PS4 with a suspect HDMI port. we have a known goods HDMI cable with a coupler. So I'm going to plug one end into the console, one end into here, like so. Turn it on. Okay, so what we need to do is compare that with a known goods console. Cool. Thanks so much for watching and for your patience. I'm very new at creating long-form video content and I don't have any fancy equipment. All I have at the moment is my old Motorola phone and I don't have capture on my microscope, which is why in some parts you're basically seeing a phone recording a monitor when I'm soldering and stuff like that. I'm trying and hopefully get better and hopefully we'll get more equipment. And in the meantime, I hope to see you again and thank you again for watching. Cheers.